Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today, let's embark on a heartwarming story from the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad PBUH. A story that sheds light on the boundless compassion, kindness, and mercy that the Prophet embodied. Get ready to experience a story that will not only touch your heart but also inspire you to reflect on the importance of kindness in our lives. The story begins with an elderly woman in Mecca who harbored a grudge against the Prophet Muhammad PBUH. She often insulted him and spread false stories about him. Despite his hostility, the Prophet never retaliated. Instead, he responded to her actions with patience and steadfast generosity, teaching us a profound lesson in enduring hardship with grace. One day, the old woman decided to leave Mecca. As she was packing her things, struggling with her burden, a man offered her help. She did not recognize him, but his polite manner and willingness to help made her accept his offer. Little did she know, the man was none other than the Prophet Muhammad PBUH. The journey was long, yet the Prophet bore his burden without complaint. On the way, he began to speak ill of him, advising his helper to stay away from the man he had falsely accused of causing discord. The Prophet listened in silence, never revealing his identity, displaying unparalleled humility and patience. As they reached their destination, the old woman thanked the man profusely and asked his name. When he softly said, "I am Muhammad," she was shocked. Her eyes filled with tears as she realized the truth. This man, whom she had slandered for so long, had shown her nothing but kindness and care. Her heart softened, and she declared her faith in the message of this extraordinary man and embraced Islam. This story highlights the profound impact of treating others with kindness, regardless of their behavior toward us. The Prophet's example teaches us that true strength lies in patience and compassion. It is a constant reminder for us to embody these values in our lives, no matter the challenges we face. And there you have it, dear viewer, a beautiful story from the life of Prophet Muhammad PBUH that inspires hearts and minds. Let us try to follow his example, spreading kindness and compassion in a world that needs it more than ever. Jazakum Allahu khairan for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heart-touching Islamic stories.